I use 3 mm hook and yarn. Make a slip knot. Make 1, 2, 3, 4 chains. Insert your hook into first chain, a slip stitch. Make 1 chain, hide this yarn under a stitch. Stitch first round in this ring. Pull up yarn, make single crochet, 1 single crochet, 2 single crochet, 3 single crochet, 4 single crochet, 5 single crochet, 6, 7 single crochet in here. Go to first chain, slip stitch, make 1 chain, go to first stitch, make 1 single crochet, go to next stitch, make 1, 2 single crochet, go to next stitch, make 1, 2 single crochet, go to here, make 1, 2 single crochet, 1, 2 single crochet, make 2 single crochet in each stitch. Make 2 single crochet in last stitch, go to first chain, slip stitch, make a chain, make 1 single crochet in each stitch, 1 single crochet, 1 single crochet, make 1 single crochet in last stitch, slip stitch, and continue like this, 1 single crochet in each stitch for more rows. make a slip knot, make 1 2 3 4 5 6 chains, skip one chain, go to next chain, make 1 single crochet, 2 single crochet, 3 4 single crochet in first stitch, go to next chain, make 4 single crochet and continue like this, make 4 single crochet in each chain.